I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you to the lounge at Victoria Harbour in Victoria, British Columbia, Canada. I'd like to introduce myself. Hi, I'm Corey, your seaplane spotter extraordinaire. I'm thrilled to take you on this exciting seaplane spotting adventure where I offer you a front row seat with a first class ticket. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the comings and goings of these amazing seaplanes at the Water Airport Charlie Yankee Whiskey Hotel. Welcome aboard, aviation enthusiasts. This Kenmore Air de Havilland Otter is ident November 87 Kilo Alpha and is serial number 11. She was manufactured in Canada in 1953. This Kenmore Air de Havilland DHC3 Otter is ident November 50 Kilo Alpha and is serial number 221. She was manufactured in Canada in 1956. This otter carries a special nickname. It's Maggie II, named after the Canadian Pacific Railway steamship, the Princess Marguerite, which sailed between Victoria and Seattle for many years. The seaplane that previously held the name Maggie I was a de Havilland Beaver with the ident November 900 Kilo Alpha. I am sincerely grateful to the visitor to the lounge who shared the Maggie information with me. Thank you. The livery of this seaplane is without a doubt a fan favorite, me included. Thanks for finding my channel and watching this video. I'm truly grateful for your support. When you tune in and I make revenue from YouTube, I donate 10% of that revenue to various charitable organizations. Your support does help make a positive impact, and I thank you. This Harbour Air de Havilland Otter is ident Golf Lima Charlie Papa and is serial number 422. She was manufactured in Canada in 1961 and purchased by Harbour Air in 2009. This was the first otter we saw land in this video, and I'm quite impressed. It was a 28-minute turnaround, meaning that this otter arriving from the United States would have cleared customs coming and going. And here she is going again. This harbor air, de Havilland Twin Otter, is ident Golf Foxtrot Hotel Alpha and is serial number 779. She was manufactured in Canada in 1981 and bought by Harbour Air in 2018. This was the second otter to land. And again, another quick turnaround. It was 28 minutes. This otter landed at 12:02, and now she's taking off at 12:30. Most impressive. This magnificent de Havilland otter is serial number 3 and is the oldest otter to still be flying. She holds her original ident of Foxtrot Oscar Delta Hotel. Built in 1952, that makes this beautiful seaplane 72 years old. This otter started her career in Quebec in January of 1953 and flew in Quebec for 47 years before being purchased by Harbour Air in 2000. In 2000, Harbour Air converted her to a Vaser turbine with modern avionics, and she received the panoramic window conversions. Oh my gosh, she's a beauty. This Harbour Air de Havilland otter is ident Golf Hotel Alpha Golf and is serial number 214. She was manufactured in Canada in 1957 and purchased by Harbour Air in 2007 and then sold to Vancouver Island Air in 2008, and Harbour Air purchased it back in 2011. So she's been on the coast a little while. This magnificent otter departed at 12:33 and is returning at 12:54. My best guess is it was a sightseeing tour, as it was a 20-minute flight. I have done this sightseeing tour and would highly recommend it. Thanks for coming on this exciting seaplane spotting adventure. I am grateful you found the lounge at Victoria Harbour in Victoria, British Columbia, Canada, and you took your front row seat with your first class ticket. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a positive comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. My channel is just a small reflection of me and what my monocular vision sees. There are many great playlists other than just planes. I have a thing for things with wings, I love all things mechanical, and have a real thing for nature. Heck, I even like to eat and have started posting scrumptious food reviews. I am sincerely thankful for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. This Harbour Air de Havilland DHC2 Beaver is ident Golf Mike Kilo Papa and is serial number 1374. She was manufactured in Canada in 1953. That's a long time ago. Wow, she's amazing.